In case you're looking for a way on how you can change your Gmail address or username, then you have come into the right video. First of all, according to Google, you can't change your Gmail address or username. So if that is the case, then what can you do? So what you're going to do is you're going to create what we call a forwarding Gmail address. Now this forwarding Gmail address contains the username or address that you wanted to use for correcting the other primary one, and it is used for automatically forwarding the mails from the primary address to the new one. So to break it down, it literally means that you will be able to receive similar mails on both addresses at the same time. So the mails that you receive from the old one are automatically forwarded to this new one that you're going to create, and that's what I'll be taking you through. So don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. So the first step is you're going to open your Gmail app, and then you click on your profile icon at the top right corner, then select add another account. So from here you select Google, then under that you click create account. So we are now creating a forwarding Gmail account. Then you click next, fill in the date, month, year, gender, and then now you will have to create a Gmail address that you're going to use. So this is different from the primary one, and it's the one that you'd have used for changing the other primary address. Then you click next, then you create your password, and then you can add the phone number, but for this tutorial I'm going to skip this step. Then you agree with the terms. So now this is now the forwarding Gmail address that you've created. So this new email address contains the username that you should have used for correcting the other old one. So the next step is you're going to open your browser, and then by default it will be signed in to the old Gmail address, right? So from there on the search bar you're going to type Gmail, and then you enter. So after that you click on the three dots at the top right corner, and then you ensure that you select desktop site, because forwarding is only possible on a desktop version. Then now you can click on the first link, that is Gmail. So you have to ensure that you're signed in to the old Gmail address that you wanted to change its username. So then from there you click on the settings icon, then select see all settings. So under settings you'll see a list of options, but you're going to select forwarding and POP/IMAP. So from there now you will see the option of forwarding, then next to it you will see add a forwarding address. So you are going to click on add forwarding address. So then you fill in the other newly created Gmail address in that section. So in this case this was my newly created Gmail address, so that's what you're going to enter in that field of add forwarding address. So after that you click next, then you go ahead to proceed at the confirmation of adding that forwarding address. Then you'll see the option of verify. So you're going to verify using a confirmation code that is sent to that new forwarding address. So not to confuse you, the new forwarding address I mean is that new created Gmail address. So you're going to copy that code, and then after copying you paste under the verification box, and then you verify. So after verifying you also make sure that you have enabled the second option of forward a copy of incoming mail to. So then after that you go ahead and save the changes. So you scroll to the bottom, select save changes. So I'll go ahead to prove that all these two Gmail addresses will be receiving the same emails from one source at the same time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my other Gmail account for sending an email to the primary one, and you will be able to see that the primary address and the secondary one will be receiving this same email at once. So when I switch to the new one, you realize that it also received the same email like the other one. So this is the easiest way, and you can subscribe, share this video, and also comment in the comment section. See you in the next one.